Located at the eastern part of the island of Rapu Rapu, facing the Pacific Ocean, is Linao. Linao is probably one of the smallest barangays of the Municipality of Rapu Rapu. It is famous of its long beach and fine sand. Being one of the smallest among the 34 barangays of the municipality, Linao is the home of 503 hardworking and religious people, making them one of the barangays that has the least numbers of voters, mainly due to their religion, Jehovah's Witnesses. Almost 60% of the population are devoted Jehovah's Witnesses members. They are peace-loving and passionate people who love to spread the Word of God and influence the new generations in conservation of the environment. In fact, the members of the religion, as well as the rest of the Linaoeños, conduct cleanup drive at a fixed schedule every week to maintain the cleanliness of the beach, as well as to practice proper solid waste management. An act worthy of praise and admiration, an act of showing love for all God's beautiful creation. Facing the Pacific Ocean is both an advantage and a disadvantage for the locals. It is an advantage because of the vast marine resources that the ocean offers. But the gigantic waves and the no-sail warnings during severe weather conditions make it at the disadvantaged situation. Aside from fishing, the locals also get their living in abaca products and copra, especially when fishing is not allowed due to severe weather condition. But personally, considering the beauty of the place, as well as the attitude of the people in taking care of the beach and the environment, I believe that tourism can be an additional source of income, not just for the capitalist, but also for the small boat owners, fishermen, and ordinary Linaoeños.
You got to let it go. 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 I'm ready to let go, go. I'm ready to let go. I'm ready to let go, go. I'm ready to let go. I'm ready to let go, go. I'm ready to let go. I'm ready to let go. You got to let it go.